It's about 15 minutes, so now we're going to have 10 questions on what we just watched. You want to get your phone, get the Kahook app, and just enter that PIN number, and we'll get started here in a few minutes. Now, if you want to participate or not, this is something that you can test yourself, test your knowledge, see how much attention that you were paying. The questions, as I said, there were some very silly questions, easy, simple, and some tricky questions, and some hard questions. So you just have to pay attention and make sure. I hope that you were paying attention to the titles of those episodes, what was behind the scene, and also what was said. Obviously, most importantly. So we'll get started here in a few seconds, a few minutes. We have 12 people so far. I know we have a lot more than 15 people, so. You guys ready to go? So you see the PIN number? 3461262. So the Kahook app, K-A-H-O-O-T. And once you download it, in the middle, you click and you hit enter game, and this is the PIN number. You can put your name, you can put a nickname, doesn't matter, something that will pertain to you. So once again, the top three will have $25 cash. And then number 4 or 5, winners 4 or 5 will have 2 meals each, 2 free meals each. And then everybody will get a little piece of candy as well on the way out. So everybody will win something. We gain some knowledge, and we get some candy, and maybe somebody else gets some prizes.
I want the candy.
You want the candy? We have 25, so we'll give it 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds and we'll start. Okay, if you have a problem with the internet, you need to get closer to the window, or if you want to get close to the back. Something where you have better access. Inshallah, between now and the next couple of weeks, we're going to work on some of the wiring, so this flickering can stop with the HDMI and maybe a better router for connection. All right, 33. We're almost done?
Everybody like that?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Hey. Metro?
Also for the ladies, make sure that you have a chance to play. 3461262. 3461262. We got 36 players. Inshallah, this won't happen during the game, but Allah. We'll just keep praying. By the way, each question is 10 seconds. Each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. And I'm sure you've heard this before. Accuracy and quickness is very important. Accuracy and quickness is very important. There's only one question that has 20 seconds, but everything else is 10 seconds.
The problem is that connection.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
Okay?
This
When you
happened
started?
before. When I click the answer.
Ready?
Okay, yesterday was
Quite a bit of us there's 100. Okay, 40 people.
No, yeah.
We have 20 seconds and we get going.
Now we got
Ahmed, are you the pizza?
Sharan.
Okay, 42 players. Are we good?
Hold on.
Okay.
Right, well,
Yeah.
oh no.
Capture the one.
Anybody else? Wait.
One more.
Wait. 10.
All right, we have 2 people waiting on.
Hey.
I'm not sure if the ladies if she's got good or not. We're about to start in just 5 seconds.
2.
So that's good?
Hold on.
Yeah. Sam, you good? Yeah. Okay, yalla. All right, anybody got kicked out? No? No? Ready? Okay. All right. Make it happen. All right, 10 questions. Here's the first. Which surah is called the mother of the Quran? Which surah is called the mother of the Quran? Al-Baqarah, Al-Imran, Al-Fatiha, and Al-Ikhlas. You got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. 25 people only got it right.
We just got in the question. Look,
The scholar, he spent
This is
3 minutes reading
we don't get the question.
and the Fatiha.
In the first slide.
About the Fatiha being the mother of the Quran.
Question is there.
So,
Look, the time is up.
that one.
Time is up, and we don't get the question.
The time that you should have done it 10 seconds.
No connection.
All right, next question.
Yeah, the question of Wi-Fi.
These are top 5. All right, second question. What was episode number 2 titled? What was the title of episode number 2? The Cure, Breaking Bottles, The Message, Al-Baqarah. You should have paid attention. All right, it was Breaking Bottles. Remember, episode number 2 was talking about drinking and how Sayyidina Umar wanted to get rid of the clear. Timing.
Yeah,
Break the
the
bottle.
Wi-Fi.
That was episode number 2. All right, number 3. Where's number 3? On what matter was Umar asking Allah to give us clarification on? Clarification on how to recite the Quran, how to pray, our salah, how to perform hajj, or alcohol. Answer is, great job, 34. Most of you, almost everybody got it right. Right. There was a picture behind the speaker to the right. What name was in that picture? What? The speaker, he had a picture behind him. What name was on that picture? If you were paying attention, you could. It was Muhammad. Where the speaker was talking, there was a picture behind him, and it says Muhammad. That's why I say you need to pay attention. Okay, now we got so far, we have BLW, Adam, and Muslim. Read it. All right, number 5. All who believe, do not approach a prayer while you are drunk until you know what you are saying. What surah and verse? Al-Baqarah verse 219, Al-Baqarah verse 43, and Nisa 219, and Nisa 43. I know it's confusing, but that's why I give you 20 seconds. Accuracy and quickness. Accuracy and quickness. All who believe, do not approach prayer while you are drunk until you know what you are saying. I hope Sheikh Hassan, I hope you did not let anybody know, huh? It was in Nisa 43. In Nisa 43. So this question is going to be a break dealer. A few breakers. Muslim went up. Real Dawood went down second, and Adam third. All right, number 6. An incident occurred in reference to the verse in the previous question. At what salah? What was the salah when that verse was recited? Fajr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. It was the Maghrib. It was the Maghrib. And the Sheikh, the speaker clearly said it. All right. The next one. Huh? That's it. Yeah, you got that. All right, true or false? Alcohol intoxicates the mind, and that's why it is prohibited. Alcohol intoxicates the mind, and that's why it is prohibited. True or false? Oh, come on. Who put false? Really? That was a freebie. That was a freebie question. Well, inshallah, at least the 4 people learn. Right. The same top players stay the same. True or false? You will not achieve the reward of righteousness, paradise, until you give from that you love. Abraham and Al-Imran verse 1992. Is that true or false? Somebody missing. Now, that was a verse. That was a verse in the Quran. Now, have you false? It was a verse in the Quran. You gotta pay attention to little details. It was a verse from the Quran. I even put the name of the surah and the verse number.
You're gonna get wrong.
How many verses in Al Imran surah? Everybody got quiet now. How many verses in Al Imran surah? Only 5 people got it right. 5 people got it right. Wow. So it was actually 200. Only 5 people. 286, by the way, that was the Baqarah. All right. So that's the last question. MJ, number 1, Muslima. CA, real Dawood, number 3. So this is the last question. So be quick. 10 seconds, just pay attention. Where was Abu Talha's garden? Where was it? In Mecca, Medina, in Jeddah, or Riyadh? Keep it to yourself. 1 second. MashaAllah. 26 people got it right. 26 people got it right. Okay. So we're ready to find out the winners?
The third.
And number 1. I'm kidding. Okay, so in your phone, you can see 5 and 6. So 5 was Maskhan and Muslima. So Maskhan and Muslima will get 2 free meals. The top 3 will get $25. Please make sure you look for Abu Mundar right there. $25. Abu Mundar. Inshallah, we'll do this again next week.
Okay, we're going upstairs. How are you doing?
But you get candy.
I always see you on Fridays before. I realize Juma time. I always see Juma time every time.
You won, right?
No, she got 5th. She got 5th.
That's what's the name, boys.
You got the second door?
So you get this overpriced.
You get 2 free meals. So just when you go outside, just see me.
You were blessed with like 3 questions. I know. What's up? What's up?
Third and first.
Well, he had the second. He had third. He's second. He's third. He's
Hi,